Is it time to buy or sell Vistra Energy stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Vistra Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Vistra Energy as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.78. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, reflecting a loss of 4.69% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.35% since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The prevailing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 20.84% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 0.198% to 40.42%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 143.87% over the next year, with potential returns between 73.63% and 182.50%. This would imply a price range of approximately 291.74 to 474.68 after a year. Our latest daily update for Vistra Energy includes the headline, Vistra Energy stock price ended at $168.03 on Friday after losing 4.69%. The Vistra Energy stock price fell by 4.69% on the last day Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, from $176.30 to $168.03. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.55%, moving from a low of $167.14 to a high of $176.42. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 3.43% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 12 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $199.84, and the lowest price was $42.23. Currently, the price is 15.92%, or $31.81, below the 52-week high of $199.84, which is also the all-time high for the stock. This recent drop has brought Vistra down to key support levels, presenting an attractive buying opportunity according to analysts who have upgraded the stock amid improved forecasts for earnings per share and solid financial health, characterized by robust cash flows. The energy sector is entering an unprecedented demand cycle, driven by expansions in data centers and the reshoring of manufacturing initiatives. President Trump's Stargate AI infrastructure initiative, which allocates significant investments toward artificial intelligence, further amplifies this demand, positioning Vistra advantageously with its reliable nuclear fleet and potential tax incentives. Despite the recent volatility influenced by DeepSeek's AI breakthrough, analysts maintain that Vistra's business fundamentals remain strong. In the long term, the shift towards more predictable returns in the energy sector enhances Vistra's appeal, especially given the growing reliance on stable energy sources to support increasing technological demands. In the short term, investor sentiment may remain cautious due to recent price fluctuations. However, positive analyst recommendations and a strong trajectory in energy consumption could stabilize and drive the stock price higher, particularly as they approach their earnings report on the 27th of February, 2025. Overall, Vistra presents a compelling investment case for both momentum and long-term growth investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 22, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned VST an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 29, 2024, BMO Capital reiterated their outperform rating for VST along with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 22, 2024, Seaport Global provided VST with a buy rating and a hold action. On Monday, October 14, 2024, Exane BNP Paribas rated VST as outperform with an initiate action. On Thursday, October 3, 2024, RBC Capital assigned VST a sector perform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Vistra Energy stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Vistra Energy. The Vistra Energy stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be some support at $167.04 and $156.39. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, resulting in a drop of 12.43% so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, lowering the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 97 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 90 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Vistra Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $149.64 and $137.08. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, Vistra Energy finds support just below today's level at $149.64. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $137.08 and $135.78. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.28 between its high and low, which is a 5.55% change. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 11.31%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Vistra Energy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are currently set at 85 cents. It is essential to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Vistra Energy. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Vistra Energy is at $176.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Vistra Energy encounters its first support level at $149.64. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Vistra Energy from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of December, 2024, Robert Charles Walters made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 9th of December, 2024, Scott B. Helm conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of December, 2024, Scott B. Helm again conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Scott A. Hudson made an insider purchase of 115,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Scott A. Hudson conducted an insider sale of 114,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.724. Overall, insiders purchased 1,296,822 shares and sold 1,696,542 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $157.95, reflecting a decline of 6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Vistra Energy stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity. There is a favorable chance for Vistra Energy stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 3rd of February, we anticipate that Vistra Energy will open up at $2.50 and begin trading at $170.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.